Guangdong Y.K.R. New Energy Company Limited is a heat pump energy solution provider focusing on heat pump product R&D, manufacturing, and sales. With the pursuit of promoting the development of heat pump energy, the company is committed to solving the current environmental hazards and high energy consumption problems caused by other heat sources such as boilers and electric heating. Company advantages: the company is located in Foshan City, Guangdong Province, China, adjacent to Hong Kong, Macau, and Shenzhen, with an excellent geographical location, convenient transportation, and a well-developed logistics system. It has a number of domestic large-scale air energy production lines and advanced production and testing processes such as wiring, welding, assembly, and testing. The annual production capacity of products can reach 120,000 units. R&D advantages: with a strong technical team, the company has developed many products including heat pump water heaters, heating and cooling heat pumps, groundwater source heat pumps, swimming pool heat pumps, and other 5 categories, with normal temperature series, ultra-low temperature series, fixed-speed heat pump series, and full DC. There are more than 100 specifications and varieties of products, such as the frequency conversion heat pump series. The products can be widely used in household, commercial, industrial, agricultural, and other fields. Our company not only focuses on the manufacture of Y.K.R. brand products, but also accepts OEM and ODM processing orders.